no kia muthenya wa ira hirarire kana iyo mathuranire ri
ni juice Thursday ni jana yes
maumira no magithiite matikire mararikia gutara kura
ni mena streaming tena tukona huko
acha
oisira stream Gutie bombas hadu
ni mugaikara mugeterera riu ABC ya kou igoka ta thutha wa mathaa maigana igakirekereria few resort mugacoka mugaikara no menye ni mahoreirio neti
Raisi no wibere gukirwo
riria ngurorete ta bauta na wa go the incumbent is quite ahead kuringana na maumĩrĩra maria makirekereirio iria ndare
Kaguta
very Kaguta is quite leading with a margin
Kaguo motipotam kou nio ibere Oko titutam
motipotam kou nio ibere for now
yes
no matikire mararikia utari wa kura auma na kindu I think 72% Kiaguraire Kiaguranyi Bobby Wine
yes
na keuma na bauni ne hau percent ya kura iria higutagathitwo by then
andu makiura kura Uganda riu ni marakinokire mathikiririe radio-ini na maromire mitandao iria gutari
riu ukihiana oguo Uganda ndiragitanya maybe by rucio afternoon we'll have a very clear picture
of whether the incumbent stays or there's a change of guard, which is highly unlikely.
Dalili ni ironania motipotamu te guthie na mbere.
Yes.
But that's just a prediction.
It's just a pre. Yes.
Riu maumirira no tugeterera. Probably by Sunday ndiria shirani by Sunday mefatie kwanirira githurano.
Yes. Okay menyo no ameibuka ushindi. Ukire
nange no riu acio riu
ciange riu aiko wena 20% iri uria wina
na ndu aronekaga main challenger
aciange ni mundu kwara ruhiu kerumirwo na giciko Kegene na mera gothi haria sinieria yes
ni muthambite moko
kisinia
isafieti
Disinia-ini na mwenda girefe muge No, let me tell you people we take Kenya for granted no he mondo zuko tuibere muno
even our democratic space
yes
tuibere ya especially our peers and neighbors
yes we are Ile Museveni aki downplay uhoro ucio aitotire mbere yao na arauga riu Kenya gutuika ati ni kirite Uganda ri tirita kuria ni kamunguna kareko karaihu
Ketuba tugiturorania ni kareko karaihu kira karia kari
yes but openly we are a bigger economy our democratic space is is very tolerant okay rigithania na maburi maria turigainie namo yes
riu
tondu guku ndukaigua ne ndukuigua guku ati munu ni ari githurano na 90%
hapana you can't
Urocio ni wathirie no githira piu yes
ndungiria githurano guku na ati 90%
here is competition yes
akuri ha guku thakagira between 52 56 at most wathi muno 56
at most
and that's a very competitive election
very and our elections are always very closely called yes
guku kuigua ati mundu arahotire na 90% ati na kana 98 ta Samia ri can't
Furori odongehora
on I mean how you cannot be that loved
you can't by who
do we call it to furori
no our democratic space no how here do fathi okay kwihura ira ruhi yes
ona tukiuga we are not yet there
we are not like the western countries
but we are somewhere
but in the region we are a trailblazer go kan uhoro we democracy yes to do ginya expression hiyo yenyewe ni well there are incidences here and there no largely ni uka kama mimi nakawari uhoro wa thirikari negative
yes
na ndohirwo kundu
na uinoke gwaku comfortably
uinoke na ciana cia kwithome na wikare wega no kuguria aya turigainie ri
gutihana uguo Wajirani sio hivyo.
Ajiraita presidency atine thirikari ria iguku kana ki ni kaundu tuka tuninite kahora it is still working
in progress no wega tugeteagira tumaundu turia tunini tuthete gutacokia makinya ta bururi.
Yes ina tumete kuraihu ona iwa ona goku kuramba andu andu gwikinyia. Yes ithuĩ ndire cia twĩkĩrio mĩkana yo nĩ ndona ũndũ
kũrĩa America.
Yes
mabũrũri mothe ma East Africa nĩ mekĩrĩre nĩ makinyĩre mburĩki.
Yes
Kenya no etakinyĩirwo mburĩki
na ndigwĩcia Museveni nĩ arĩa aramenya ũguo
thaa ici kĩrĩa kĩramũgia nĩ gĩthurano.
We are what percentage?
Yeah, 72. They are around 72%.
That is very dismal. I want EE. Exceeding expectation.
Can you call Samia?
Can you call Samia? Can Samia had how many?
98%.
We should bypass her by one.
If anything, we are older.
We are an older democracy than them. Kagame gets 98. We need 99. She's very decisive. What about Chaguranyi?
It's around 20%.
She reduced him to 2. America tutiarugamie no kuria gwa tatari Tanzania na Uganda
acio koja maundu mao mambire guthuka kabere.
Yes nasikia wale wametusimamishia safari za kwenda Marekani lakini nasikia wakufurahishwa na mama na nikaona yatafika kuja pale yule kijana anaitwa Speedy alipokataa kupita Tanzania. Manake walisema ni Kiingereza hamna, lakini si kweli. Aliambiwa usipite umo. Wewe nenda Kenya ondoka. Enda Rwanda. Sasa sisi tumeambiwa tukitaka kwenda zetu Marekani tupite Kenya. Watu sajili tuwe wa Kenya.
Ningeza muone marua.
Kizungu mkuti kweli. Lakini hamna la ziada. Sisi pekee tu. Uganda pia wamezuiliwa.
Uri mothe ma East Africa no Kenya tari hutie.
Yes.
Anyway, we wish them well.
We wish them well. Like we said, the stability of Uganda is our core business.
No, it has a lot to do with ourselves also.
Yes. Kuna kugigio na tikanua kau kugigia kiagagori ona tuigwe turathi guteithia ku gukira uria turathiete buri ungi wita watia
Haiti.
Yes
ugu turahothete borithi
na gudau atikanua kau tuigwe Uganda kwina kiunduri no tuigwe tuiganire muno magithi guteithio tondu
ni matuwigie muno
ni matukonie yes
muno nginya ki biashara. We wish them well.
All the best. The cranes.
Monday to giuka haha ri we will have a winner.
No, yes,
in Uganda.
Yes, prospectively. The land of bananas, the land of Kabaka Mutesa.
Uganda.
Yes, the Kabaka. Yes.
Na their national team witagwa ya mufira.
The Uganda Cranes.
The Uganda Cranes.
Enyo ni yao. It's synonymous with Uganda. The Crane. Yes. Odo ya kule kama Mama Samia itakuwa Taifa Stars. Chipolopolo ni ya Zambia. I think it's Zambia. Bafana near South Africa. The Lions of Tiranga near Senegal. The Desert Warriors near Algeria. The Carthage Eagles near Tunisia. I know several.
DRC no mare timu.
Ne mare. It has a Lingala name. Ita timu ya Kongo.
Ando acio ni magirika undu ga gukira maundu maingi.
Tondu Zamalek ni ya kiria. Is it Zambia or Zimbabwe? One of the two. I think it's a club somewhere there. Yes. Congo DRC
nä makira maå ndå-inä maingä må no
nä makiraga ona tarä kwä na ithurano rä iguaga makira na gå tuä ka nao kwao to gå tingä two kwega
kwao naguo rä u mathä na namo no mathä na ma kä å mbe they have their unique challenges anyway katweterere tutajua ni nani kwa Uganda no incumbent for now niwe wĩ mbere gĩkura iria itarĩtwo
70% na kwambatĩrĩra
thaa 10